Hello everyone, today I discuss equation number 5 from exercise 9.1 NCERT class 10 book. Okay, so see this question. A kite is flying a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Okay, so see, a kite is flying a height of 60 meter above the ground. So see, for this question I draw this diagram. So see, suppose AB is the ground level, so there BC is the height of the, so this AB is the ground level, BC is the height of the string, BC is the height of the kite. So see, let BC be the height of the kite from the ground. So BC equal to 60 meter. Next is given the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Suppose this A point, the string is tied to this A point. Okay, so the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Okay, this angle value is equal to how much? 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack of the string. So according to our question, we find out the string length. So that means AC length. Okay, this string making an 60 degree angle with the ground level. Okay, so according our in our question only this information is given. So see, AC be the inclined length of the string from the ground. Okay, this AC be the this string length. Now we can find out AC equal to how much? A be the point where the string of the kite is tied. Okay, this point the string of the kite is tied, yes or not? So see, the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Okay, this angle is equal to what? 60 degree. That is angle BAC equal to 60 degree. BAC means this angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, inclination angle means this angle. That is about this angle. So BAC is equal to how much? 60 degree. So see, the same figure I draw this side. Okay, so from right angle triangle BAC, so see, from BAC right angle triangle, what you can get, we can take their sine value. Sine of any angle we can take this angle, sine value. Sine of any angle is equal to what? Hypotenuse. Sine of any angle is equal to the perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So if we can take this angle sine value, then what, for this angle BC is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So sine of angle BAC is equal to what? BC divided by AC. So BAC value is equal to 60 degree. So this way BC equal to 60 divided by AC. So sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 60 divided by AC. Now cross multiply. Root 3 into AC, root 3 AC, 2 into 60. So AC is equal to root 3 multiply this side, comes this side, then divide 2 into, in place of 60 I write 3 into 20, 3 20s are 60. So root 3 divide this one and we can get root 3. So 2 into 20 how much? 40 root 3 meter. Therefore length of the string is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Understand everybody?